Tuesday morning. The sun is up and frost on everything. Yeah. You say bring it on, baby. Here at my yard. Let's see her. Sun is melting it really bad. So this is my olive tree and my sugar beets. Yeah, but they're doing very well. And I was trying to get a kohlrabi count while I was out there, right? I like to harvest as much as I can harvest before a freeze comes, just so I won't lose much. If I lose anything, right? But I didn't lose anything. But I harvest 2 of my kohlrabis. So in the last couple of days, I've harvested 4. I have 22 more kohlrabis in the garden. So guys, today, this is 1 part water, 1 part vinegar. Now usually I'll use the white vinegar, but today I use this vinegar. Yeah, the apple cider. This. So I'm making some onion vinaigrette. Now, I made this vinaigrette maybe about 2 years ago or so. It's still on my channel. I may go and get it and put it in the description box, okay? I have some garlic that is just chopped. I like them big, all right? So I have, let's see. Now I'm gonna put all of this stuff in the bottom of my jar. I'm not gonna put it in the brine itself. So this is some dill seeds. I collected these. This is for my plant in my garden, right? Now I also am gonna put some yellow mustard seeds in here. And because it's for my daughter who love it, I'm gonna use stevia. I'm gonna use some stevia. I won't use cane sugar, right? So when I get ready to pack my jars, I'm gonna come back, okay? All right, family, so here I am placing the mustard seeds, the dill seeds in this jar, the garlic, and I also put some of the parsley that I dehydrated. Well, Jada and I dehydrated. But the onion powder and the garlic powder, I put that in the brine just so it can dissolve very well, right? Now, you don't see it in this shot, but there is 2 jars. There you go. Now you see there's 2. And I'm just packing these onions in here. No rhyme or reason, just putting them in the jar, you know. And adding little vegetables at a time. And I did put a lot of garlic in there because, you know, I love that garlic flavor. So now here I'm just tasting the brine just to make sure it have a sweetness, and I can taste all of the onion powder and the garlic powder because, you know, once you put it in there, I don't want to add anything to it, right? Yeah. There we go. just want to fill it up. All right, guys, this is them. So this is onion vinaigrette. And those are dill seeds, y'all. Dill seeds. Yeah, that's what they are, dill seeds. And this is that apple cider vinegar. Now, if you know, you could do it with white, and that's great too. But we're gonna let them stay in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days, and then we're gonna taste them. Yeah, but they are so good. I know they are. And the garlic is just as good. This is, I guess, 3 to 4 days later from when I made this onion vinaigrette. So now I'm gonna open it, and yep, we're gonna taste it. Let's see how it tastes, y'all. All right, guys, it smells so good. And, you know, it got that vinegary. I can smell the garlic. So I'm just going to put a couple of them right here in this little bowl. I have this little Dollar Tree bowl I bought. All right, guys, let me do this. I'll be right back. All right, so now I put these seeds you see here. I'm sorry, these are, there's onions, of course, there's garlic. It's mustard seeds. Yeah. Vinegar, water. That's what I have in it. And this is red onions, and it is an onion vinaigrette. So let's taste this baby. This is so good. Now, I love eating this on a salad. A sandwich. Awesome on a sandwich. So many things, but Jody would have been here to taste it. Also, I usually put sugar in this, but because I want it to be Jody friendly, I use this, and that is stevia. And it's really good, and I know she's gonna enjoy it. So I have this, I have a big jar, and I have a smaller jar. And yeah, it's one jar for her, and one is for me. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share it, all right? The taste of this stuff is so good. So good. All right. So I had some onions and zinnias growing in this container. So I kind of spruced up the soil, try to get some of these onion roots out, which they are very light. This soil is just amazingly light, fluffy soil. I love it. Whoa, did y'all see that? You see him came out? Dude, really? Really? This is a mold cricket. This insect will eat the roots of your lawns and your plants. They are very destructive. He gotta go. So today, this is what I'm dropping you all. This is turmeric. So I went down to Mr. George the other day, and I did pick up some turmeric. So I'm gonna drop about 6 rhizomes of turmeric. Now seriously, all I really want is, I have a good bit of turmeric in here, but I really want about 4 plants. That's it. That's all I'm looking to have is 4 plants of turmeric. But I'm gonna drop 6 rhizomes just to assure that I get what I want, y'all. And So if I do get 4, I'm gonna have 1 to a bucket. That's what I'm gonna do. And that's all you do to turmeric. Bada bing, bada boom. She's dropped. All right, guys, let me get inside. It's getting a little chilly.